There is a lot of money in today's websites, guys. You just have to go make a few accounts and just invest your time. This is how much money I've got with these last week, guys, and you can do the same thing. Just hit that subscribe button, follow the steps, and let's go and do it. First of all, just take a look at these reviews. 32,000. A lot of great comments, a lot of great reviews. Inboxdollars.com has nice rating, and it's a pretty nice website, guys. You can just take surveys, you can shop, have some cash offers, and you can even play games. And there's a lot of money in this, guys. You just have to make yourself an account, and you will get $5 bonus just for signing up. So just sign up, and there's your $5, guys. Now, how cool is that for some free money? $5, just make yourself an account and you get the $5. So this works in a way that certain brands will pay for consumer input, okay? So we are those consumers and we're gonna just do the surveys, do the offer walls, and you will get a lot of cash, guys. You will get cash, no points on this website, and there is a lot of money on this website, guys. People really love it, and just take a look at these partners. There is a lot of money. It is simple to get money online with Inbox Dollars, and as I've told you guys, $5 sign-up bonus today, right now, as soon as you make yourself an account. Now, there are apps on Google Play. Just take a look at this, guys. 5 million downloads for this app on Android, guys. So this is really cool. And just take a look at the rating, 4.0 out of 5, and there's 5 million downloads. That's a good app. You just have to pull out your phone, and you can do this from your toilet seat, wherever you are. This works all around the world, so you can live in Africa, you can live in Asia, wherever you live, guys. You can live in Philippines, Australia, wherever. You can get a lot of money. Now, there's an app on the App Store as well. Just take a look at this, guys. 4.5 out of 5, even better than the Android app, guys. And just do the surveys, and that's it, guys. A lot of ratings here. 4.5 out of 5, really good one. And all that you have to do is to take some surveys, watch some videos, or even play some games if you want to do that, guys. This app is really good. But of course, you can just earn cash on your desktop device. So there is even this offer, which is called Get Paid to Read Emails. So what you have to do is you just have to open the news, okay? Just open the news, you get the money, and you don't even have to read that. You just open the email that you get, okay? And that's it. That's all that you have to do. You just sign up, you confirm your email address because that's where those emails are gonna go, and then you just earn the cash for it, okay? Pretty easy. And if you wonder why would I want to pay you to read some emails, guys, well, these companies and brands, they have some different strategies, okay? When you read a brand's paid emails, they pay cash to Inbox Dollars, okay? And then they share a portion of that amount with you, and that's how this works, okay? That's how it is working, and you can just start with it, guys. You can just go, and you can see here, guys, that you can get $2 for downloading a new shopping app, okay? So it is free to download, but you get $2 for each app download, okay? Now, that's a cool income, guys. That's really great. Inbox Dollars just hits all points. Now, there is also this one, which is called TimeBucks.com, but before I show you, hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. So TimeBucks.com is a website where you can do these micro tasks. You can watch videos, you can just post on Facebook, view fun slideshows, and you can see that on Trustpilot they have 3.8, which is perfect. Really a lot of great comments here, as well as you can see here there are a lot of satisfied people which are using TimeBucks for making money. They also have some nice features. They have these daily bonuses so you can increase your earnings, guys, and they have weekly payouts, so you don't have to wait for anyone, okay? So just log in inside and start getting the money. Now, once you get inside, this is your dashboard. And before I show you the best thing on this website, just take a look at this. You can get 15% commission on the lifetime earnings of anyone you refer to TimeBucks, okay? So if you invite your friends, invite your family members, whenever they do something, you will get the portion of whatever they earn, okay? So 15%. That can accumulate to a really nice amount of money if you are just patient. Those people will eventually work for you, okay? So you don't have to do nothing once you get enough referrals. But until you get enough referrals, just invest your time into these earning options that they have, okay? So they have games, offer walls, different tasks, surveys as well. But just take a look at this. As soon as you do these, guys, you'll automatically be eligible to compete on these sweepstakes, okay? And these are drawn at 12 a.m. Friday each week. So just take a look at this, guys. If you are the first, you get $250, $250 for you if you are the most active person during that week, okay? So each week at 12 a.m. Friday, they will just pull out a winner. And if you are second, you get $50, third place, $30, and so on. That's a really great money-making opportunity, guys. You just have to do these earning offers and you're automatically eligible to compete here. And just take a look, guys. If you just get $250 each week, that's $1,000 for you each month, and that's perfect. But maybe one drawback of this website is when you go to settings and when you go payment methods here on this box, you can see that payment methods are only like Payeer, AirTM, Skrill, or Bitcoin. But I suggest that you think about Bitcoin, okay? It's a really, really nice option to have some Bitcoin nowadays because it's going up in price. It's a really good asset to have, or maybe some Ethereum or Litecoin, because crypto in general has a really good future and you should really think about it. Of course, you will need a wallet for that because that's where crypto is going. So you can use this Coinomi wallet. It's a good wallet. You can as well use Binance.com, or maybe you can use Coinbase.com, or you can use Blockchain.com. They have nice wallet as well. So just choose for yourself which one suits you the most. You only have to have one. But if you are a complete beginner in terms of crypto world, you can go to bitcoin.org, okay? And they have this option where you can choose your wallet, okay? So these guys will help you with the help of these 4 questions, okay? So these are really simple. So what's your operating system? Click on Windows, click on Next. And then the second question is, how much do you know about Bitcoin? So just click on New if you are a beginner. Just click on Next. Which criteria are important to you? Or just select this fees because you don't want to waste money on those fees. And then the last question is, what features are you looking for? Just click on 2-factor authentication. It's a good option to have. And then you see that you have been recommended this Electrum wallet, but in the end, whichever one you choose, $10 can give you whichever wallet you choose. They will give you that money. Now, the last one which I wanted to show you today, guys, it is called superpay.me, and it is a really good website. As you can see, you can get PayPal, Bitcoin, and there are fast payments on this website, and this is the biggest reason why I love this website. It is 8-hour payment promise. So as soon as you click on that button, in 8 hours, you are getting that money, guys. It is a really good option. Superpay.me has 4.6 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and that's amazing, just amazing. Just take a look at these comments here. Superpay.me is unreal. That's what people think about it, and there are really a lot of satisfied people. And why wouldn't they be? They get a lot of money, guys. They get a lot of money for surveys, watching videos, quick offers, trials, games even, and you can do whatever you want in order to get the money. So just take the action and then just do these offers. Do these offers, guys. Get yourself some money, and I'll catch you later.